Ever stare at your bank account after a month of, well, existing, and wonder where all the money went? Yeah, us too. That's where budgeting apps come in. They're like tiny financial ninjas, slashing through mystery charges and forgotten subscriptions. But with a million options out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, a popular budgeting app that promises to streamline your finances. The big question, is Rocket Money even available for Android? Budgeting on the go, why mobile matters. Let's face it, our phones are basically extensions of ourselves. We check them constantly, use them for everything from shopping to banking, and, you guessed it, we want our budgeting tools readily available too. Imagine catching a latte habit you didn't realize you had, right there on your phone. Bam! Instant budget tweak. That's the beauty of mobile budgeting apps. They put your financial health right in your pocket, ready to be monitored and adjusted on the fly. So, if you're an Android user, the vast majority of the smartphone world, by the way, is Rocket Money an option for you? The Rocket Money Rundown, your Android ally? Spoiler alert, yes, absolutely. Rocket Money boasts a user-friendly app available for download on the Google Play Store. Here's the breakdown of what you can expect. Subscription Slayer, we all know those pesky subscriptions that sneak up on your credit card statement. Rocket Money helps you identify them, shows you how much you're spending, and even lets you cancel them with a single tap. Think of it as your superhero cape against forgotten gym memberships and long-dormant magazine subscriptions. Bill Busting Buddy, bills can feel overwhelming, but Rocket Money can tame the beast. It tracks your upcoming bills, sends you reminders to avoid late fees, and might even be able to negotiate lower rates for you. Who doesn't love saving money? Budgeting boss, okay, maybe not a boss yet, but Rocket Money can definitely be your budgeting buddy. It helps you categorize your spending, set goals, and see exactly where your money is going. Think of it as a financial flashlight, illuminating your spending habits so you can make informed choices. Net Worth Navigator, curious about your overall financial health? Rocket Money can help you track your net worth. This fancy term simply means the value of everything you own minus what you owe. The app factors in things like your bank accounts, investments, and even your car, because hey, that's technically an asset. Beyond the basics, what else does Rocket Money offer? While the core features are impressive, Rocket Money goes a step further with additional perks. Security matters, financial data is sensitive, and Rocket Money prioritizes security. They use industry-standard encryption to keep your information safe. Human touch, if the app doesn't answer all your questions, Rocket Money offers concierge services to help you navigate the trickier aspects of managing your money. Free to try, not sure if Rocket Money is your budgeting soulmate? They offer a free trial so you can test drive the app and see if it fits your financial style. The takeaway, is Rocket Money your Android budgeting BFF? Look, every financial situation is unique. But if you're an Android user looking for a user-friendly app to tackle subscriptions, manage bills, and take control of your budget, Rocket Money is definitely worth considering. With its subscription slayer features, bill reminders, and budgeting tools, it can be a powerful weapon in your financial arsenal. So, is Rocket Money the ultimate budgeting app for Android? Well, that depends on your individual needs and preferences. But with its feature set and user-friendly interface, it's certainly a strong contender. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.